Hello friends, how are you all? Today in this video we are going to learn how to remove background from an image. So first of all, you have to go to your Chrome or Google account and search remove BG. Then the first website that will appear in the list, you have to click on that. After that, when the website will be opened, you have to select the image from your gallery, as I have selected this one over here. After that, the picture will come over there and you have to click on remove background. Now you can see the background of this image is being removed, and I have downloaded it on my phone by clicking on the download. I am doing all this procedure in my phone. You can also use your laptop, or you can open the same desktop site on your phone as well if you do not have any computer. Now you can see this image is over here and the background is removed now. You can also add another background on this picture. You can just simply click on add design. Then it will take you to the other app, that is Canva, that is best for graphic designing or creating any kind of templates. Now I am on this platform on Canva, and the picture will appear over here. This is, you can see there is no background in this picture. You can just add this on the screen and you can put it anywhere. You can change the background from this picture, or you can add of your own choice, and you can earn money by doing this kind of work and giving services to the people who want their images with no background. So I hope you've liked this video. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you love this, and follow me on TikTok and YouTube for more such videos. Till then, take a lot of care of yourselves. Goodbye.